Hey everybody, Prepper Nurse 1 here. Today is Sunday. It is the 16th of April 2023. Before we get into anything, I want to remind everybody I will be live streaming tonight. So definitely encourage you to join me then. I'm going to kind of show you some of the stuff we got going on here. I do have some sad news to report, unfortunately. The lady that I bought the property from, her and her husband, she passed away last night. So I don't know what happened yet. I went up to try to go see him today, but he was gone. So I'm sure he's trying to take care of arrangements of things. And so I'm going to go back up there later and check that out and get a chance to talk to him. And very sudden, very, very sudden. So I just saw her a couple days ago, so I had no idea. All right, so we have some plants that I'm going to have to get in, tomato plants. This is lettuce. I can trim that up, trim that back, and then I can just let it keep growing, and then as it continues to grow, I will have lettuce. We got some marigolds here and stuff like that. One of the things, we'll show you over here, one of the things that Buzz and Sandy were working on, and I will show you. And I don't exactly know what all they put in here. I know they were putting onion shoots in here. I don't know. I think they might have put some garlic in here as well. And get out of there. So, yeah, so they put that here. Yeah, it looks like there's onions all through that area. You can see the bulbs. I don't know what else they put in here. So, just put them here. We use some of the boards that have the soil here, and just did that for that area. So, all right, the cap was taken off the well. We looked, there's not water. Now the water's dried up that was over here. I don't know what's going on here, to be honest with you. But walk you over here. So all this rain that we're supposed to get all weekend, we got like a shower on Friday morning for a little bit, so that's all dried now. So, no idea. So we got a little rain on Friday morning, and then we had no rain at all yesterday. And then today, right now it's about noon right now. Almost everybody's gone. Steve is generally gone on a regular basis anyway, but here he is. So I'll take you over here. Ronnie had to leave earlier today, so what we ended up doing, I'll show you here. These are the ones that we got up yesterday, and so we had some more plywood has got to be cut out. We don't have a jigsaw down here, and so, but for the patterns for the blocks, but we got that up for now. We made some more of the trusses, and then because we don't have enough people to, work together to get them all up, they're up here. I think we got like 5 or 6 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think there's at least 5 trusses ready to go. So let's see. Nope, there are 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 trusses that we have made that we have covered. And so then we got everything just covered up for right now. And the wood that was over here is now over here. And but yeah, so that's what we're gonna have to. Our next get together, we will have to. I got to put that ladder away. We will work on that. So didn't get as far as we had hoped with the pavilion, but what are you gonna do? I mean, we didn't have the right nails to start with, so somebody had to go get the nails. And when you go anywhere to a hardware place, you're looking at least 40 minutes one way, 40 minutes back, plus your shopping and whatnot, stuff like that. We're making good progress on the bunker. You'll be seeing the videos coming up for that, so I'm not going to give anything away on that. But there'll be a new video for the bunker build on Thursday. And, you will see the progress over the next couple of weeks of what we got done there. And so, yeah, not bad. But yeah, so this is where we're at with this right now. And so we're just kind of relaxing at the moment. Put in a long day yesterday. We did some more work on the bunker this morning. And, you know, so I am definitely tired. Not going to lie. But yeah, really sad to hear about the neighbor. Like I said, I don't know what happened. I know she was having some health issues, but not to be passing so suddenly. So I got to find out, like I said, what's going on there. Her and her husband have been together for 40-something years. And so, you know, that's a tough thing. That's a tough thing. So, but Dave's deck, he wants to take that framing off of there and actually build walls. And have you know, a storage area, you know, with a metal roof and the whole 9 yards. So we're gonna, and then this other material here is going to be for a deck that he's going to put in front of his travel trailer. So you know, little more things to do. He'll be here for a few more days. Roy's going to be here for a couple more days, and Rob's the only one that's got to leave yet. He'll leave at some point today, but. Yeah, just we were definitely busy. Sandra just left a little while ago, and you know, so good weekend. You know, we obviously missed our friends that couldn't make it down, and but we were productive nonetheless. And you know, we'll just continue to work on things and continue to get things going. There will be an upcoming video, that barrel down here that you see. Okay, that will be getting turned into a composting bin, and we will show you how we're going to do that, and I'll do a whole video on that, and we'll go from there. But no, like I said, it's been a busy week, a busy weekend, and you know, we're making good progress on things, and we're just going to continue to do what we can do, and we will go from there. But you know, it's like now that the road is where it's at the point where it's at, and we can kind of focus on other things. There's definitely other things that I want to do. Those plants up here that I had showed you, I want to get them, you know, in the ground, get a spot picked out, get some fencing up around that. And so, hold on, I'll walk up here. Alright, so I'm going to have to pick out a spot for the garden here. What I might do is just try to keep it up in this area. So I got a bunch of fencing here that I can utilize around that. So I'll figure out where we're going to do that. I have, if you look over here, that's what we got left from topsoil there. Down over here we have more topsoil that he had scraped off, that we can utilize for the garden area. But I may put something in here, because why not? It gets a lot of sunshine. It'd be a good spot. It's close to the house, and so I think that's where something like that may go. But like I said, slow and steady. We're going to work on stuff, getting stuff in the ground, getting things planted, and just kind of, you know, going from there and seeing what we can get accomplished. But we'll get there. We'll get there. But anyway, guys, so I am going to jump off of here for now so that I can get this video up for you guys. Remember, folks, we are all in this together. We are one race called the human race. As soon as we can figure that one out, we truly will be in much, much better shape. We have to stop letting them divide us. Race, religion, political affiliation, you know, all tools used to keep us fighting amongst each other and not coming together. We need to come together, work together for the common good of everything. We could get so much more accomplished if we did that. Also remember to hug and kiss the ones that you love. Tell them every single day. Tomorrow's not guaranteed. We never know what's going to happen in life, so it's really, really important to tell the people that we care about every day how we feel. Last but not least, STD. Step, thing, and day. One step at a time, one thing at a time, and one day at a time. Whatever you're trying to do, whatever you're trying to accomplish, you can do it. The only one that's going to stop you from achieving your goals is you. That's it, nobody else. Stay positive, stay away from the negativity, and you're going to be just fine. All right. I hope you all have a great day, and I will talk to you all later. Prepper Nurse 1 out for now.